The unit semicircle with some target values at pi over 12 intervals is shown. 3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Alright, so we have sine of pi over 6 squared equals 1/4. So what is pi over 6? Pi over 6 is 30 degrees, and the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So you just square that. 1/2 squared is 1/4. So this is true. Here we have sine of pi over 3 squared equals 3/4. What is the sine of pi over 3? Well, pi is 180 degrees. Divided by 3 is 60 degrees. So if you ever forget what the sine of 60 degrees is, just draw a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this is 60 degrees, that's 30. We'll say that if this leg is 1, then that would make the hypotenuse 2, and this would be 1 times the square root of 3. So here we have our little triangle. Sine of 60 degrees would be the square root of 3 over 2 squared. So now we square it, and that becomes 3/4, which is true, so we can eliminate this one. It is not false. Sine of 2 pi over 3 squared. Well, 2 pi over 3 is going to have the same exact sine value as pi over 3, which means that sine of 2 pi over 3 squared is also 3/4, not 3/2. The answer to this problem is C. Now here we have sine of 5 pi over 6, which has the same sine value as pi over 6, which we already figured out over here was 0.5. So 0.5 times 2 is 1. This is also true. The answer here is C.